Hello. For several months my Infinity 96 was throwing a code 82 thermal lockout in high stage. My home warranty provider, Sears, struggled with this for months, and recently replaced the evaporator coils. The system cools great. However, it immediately began throwing code 81 and sending this email message. This email was sent automatically because your home HVAC system issued the following urgent message: :81 thermal lockout in low stage 4 hours, code 81. This occurs almost every single day and usually in the middle of the night. I need help. Thank you.
Hi. What's the brand and model of your HVAC unit?
Carrier Infinity 96 model #CNPVP 4221 ALA.
How long has this been going on with your Carrier unit? What have you tried so far?
The code 82 went on for months. Sears techs tried a number of things, including replacement of both thermostats when they could not diagnose problem. A second opinion pointed to the coils leaking. Now I have the code 81.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I think that pretty much covers it. Thank you.
Hello, thank you for using JustAnswer. My name is, and I will do my best to help you with your issue. You will likely get a pop-up for a phone call option. I am not currently set up for phone call assistance, but the option is there if you wish to have a phone call from another service tech. If you wish to have a phone call, I can opt out for another expert to look at your question. I am looking at your question now and will respond in a few moments. Please be patient with my responses as I may have to attach files, drawings or look up specifications. Hello, this means the outdoor unit is overheating in the refrigerant circuit. It can be dirty coils, usually trips in heat of day. The fan motor in the top is stopping or slowing down. The unit is overcharged, usually heat of day. What is model number of the outdoor unit?
Hi Billy HVAC. Thanks for your reply, and I'm very sorry for not getting back to you sooner. This is happening every night between 1 a.m. and 4:15 a.m. And it's interesting too, because I had the high condition all these months, until we fixed it and now have the low condition. In addition to that, while the high pressure scenario disabled the system, the low pressure apparently is either resolving itself soon afterward, up and running by the time we awake, or is not actually disabling it. Model info 25N936A300. Hello, just following up. Your advice has really paid off. I was able to guide the contractor to the correct analysis, which he was basically getting backwards, high/low. In the process, he determined that the compressor is overheating, 15 years old, and has ordered a replacement. I'm concerned that the fan is also stopping on these new low-pressure lockouts. But I will say that they invariably are taking place between 1 a.m. to 4:30 a.m., possibly because my wife likes it so cold at night. Our overall system pressure was fine, so he decided there are no outdoor refrigerant leaks. There is also a thermostat anomaly that I was going to hold off on until this current issue is addressed, but maybe we should discuss it prior, over the phone. Oh wait, I see that you are not set up for calls, which is fine. We can stay the course using chat. Good morning. I am hoping for a reply to my updates of 6:25 and 6:30. Thanks you.
I apologize for the delay. Been a busy couple weeks. Has the tech checked the defrost board? This board is responsible for the fan and top running. I would also ask them if they use voltage, amp, pressure recorders. I found that the most efficient way to track errors is by attaching a small recorder that registers the voltage to the motor, the pressure of the refrigerant, the temperature, etc. Then 24 to 48 hours later I go retrieve this and download the results to my laptop. It tells me exactly what happened and when. Most reputable service companies use these as many issues are not evident at time of service. It removes the guesswork and provides definitive data. What issue do you have with the thermostat?
I completely understand, thank you. I don't know whether they have checked that defrost board, but I will ask when they return to replace the compressor, 9th or 13th. I believe he was running those recorders, based on what I observed, but again, I will confirm. This is really good detail. Sears is the contractor under my Sears home warranty, FYI. The thermostat has resumed an unprogrammed status change to away. I do not have away or vacation built into any of my schedules. It was doing this frequently when we still had the high condition. But it only recently has done this, now twice, under the low error condition.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.